Hello, I'm going to walk you through on how to allow Carrot to read and write steps data to your Apple Health under the Systems headings for iOS 13. iOS 13, it's all new on how to do this. So what you'll want to do is go to the System Settings. If you go to tap your System Settings icon and then scroll down to the Privacy button, go ahead and tap Privacy. And in privacy, you're going to see the Apple Health icon about in the middle of the screen there. So go ahead and tap Apple Health. And then you're going to be presented with the Carrot app. So go ahead and go to Carrot. And from there, you'll be able to read and write steps data using your Carrot app. So all you have to do is switch them on and off. And you're all set. If you have any questions, please look us up and look at our frequently asked questions at help.carrotwellness.com. Thank you and have a great day.